Guess what? Guess what? My Temu package came in today. Let's go get it. I'm so excited. Hey y'all, so I got my package from Temu. It took like, oh wait, I gotta do my intro. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Precious, aka Peachy Presh. I'm coming to you with my Temu haul. I'm sure you guys are aware of what Temu is. If you don't, basically it is online portal where you can shop a bunch of cheap items. They ship from China, kind of like Shein. If you don't know what Shein is, you've been living under a rock. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up without further ado. I don't want to be chit-chatting too much because yeah. All right, I ordered I believe 14 items, and most of the items are not items that you can wear. They're mostly like little knickknacks and stuff, but like I said, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see. All right, so some of the items, as you can already tell, are like busted up. Yeah. And here's that. So let's see what the first item is gonna be. All right, the first item, which actually is a clothing item, they're socks. So I don't know why, but I saw these on the site and they were super cute. This one says Smiley, I believe. But y'all, I think they spelled it wrong. Smiley, S-M-I-L-Y. I feel like Smiley should have an E in there somewhere. Am I tripping? And I'll try to put the information on the screen of the prices and everything, but they were super cheap. This one says Lucky Day and it has a little smiley face on it. This one says Orsigables. What the hell? I don't know. I just thought that they were cute socks. And they're pretty decent as far as like the quality of it is pretty good. So those are my Temu socks. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair of socks. And I think they were like maybe $2 or $3. All right, there's that. And then I ordered this, and these are for when you wash your face so your arms don't get a bunch of water on them. So I've been seeing these all over like Amazon and over TikTok. So like when you wash your face and stuff, you don't have to have the water dripping down your arms. And these were like probably like $1, I think. A keychain. And it just says Parfum number 5. It's a little cheap thing. I think it was like maybe $1 or $2. I'll see. Is that? What else? Then I got these, I believe they're highlighters. Okay, so here's the highlighters. Here's the first one. I don't know if y'all can even see, it's like super light. This is very awkward, but basically these are the highlighters and what they look like. Super light, but they're cute, I guess. Clear sticky notes. I could have used these. I thought that there was going to be more in here. When I looked at the picture, it kind of showed like a lot, but these are just basically like clear sticky notes. I don't know, I just thought they were kind of cool and unique. So oh yeah, so I bought some stuff for my car, like some little knickknacks and stuff. So these are like little cup holders that go inside your car. I thought they were supposed to have like rhinestones or something on them, but I know you can choose rhinestones. Then this is a wheel cover, a steering wheel cover. And it's just all black and it's like a little shiny and shimmery. So I'm gonna put that in my car. I might, oh, it smells a little weird. I might go and put it in there after I film this, but we'll see. And there was something else for my car. Oh yeah, this thing that came all in a botched up. So this is the little thing that goes on your dash where you hold your phone. Something fell out of it. I guess this goes with it. I'm not sure. But there's that. I don't know what's in here. Oh, a cup. Forgot about this. So just this little, what's up? I thought it was gonna be glass, but I guess it's like this. And it has like the little double thing. Pretty cool, pretty cute. And then we got some sunglasses, I believe. And how am I gonna get sunglasses when I can't even, I guess when I put my contacts in, but let's try these on. What do we think? What do we think? So those are those. Can't see. And then I have another pair. I got another pair as well. And the quality of these are pretty good. They have like some nice, what do you want to call that? I don't know what you can call that. This is basically just plastic, y'all. Nothing special about them. I think they were like maybe $2. Then here's some more. I thought I ordered like 3 pair, but I guess not. And these are just the same ones, but in black. So there's those. That, let's try them on for y'all. I really can't see anything out of these eyeballs. I think they look cute. They're super cute. And these are only like a couple bucks. So there's that. And then I think we have one last thing, and I think that's gonna be it. Super quick. All right, I don't know what this is. I don't remember ordering this. Oh no, this is that little bear thing. Oh, here it is. So it's like this little holograph like situation. You basically put this like that, and then you plug it in. I'm not gonna do it now because it's daylight, but maybe I'll get a clip when it's night. You plug it in and it's supposed to just like light up. I don't know how much this was, but I don't know why I bought this. So that's that. Oops. And finally, a tote bag. everybody and their mama, auntie, cousin, sister, brother, uncle, everybody got this bag. But I don't think they got it like this. Voila. Oh wait, it's not even the right size. I'm in the right side. Voila. Pick. Okay, so this is the tote bag, the infamous Marc Jacobs tote bag that everybody has, but obviously it's not the real one. And this one is like a different variation of it. I thought it was pretty cute and different, and so I wanted to like give it a try. I don't know if I would ever, I mean, obviously I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna wear it out, but I don't know how to like style it or anything. I like purple. Purple's my favorite color, so that's why I wanted to get this. So yeah, and then it comes with, all right, I'm back. My storage on my camera is like full basically, but I got a strap that goes with it, with the bag, and then it has a compartment inside right here, a little flappy flap right there, and then obviously you can see everything inside, but you can get like a nice little insert or something or whatnot. And then I realized that was not the last item. I also got this Libra, I believe it's either a bracelet or an anklet, and I'm just about to open it like that. So I believe it's a bracelet. If you can see it, hold on. Can you see it? Anyways, it says Libra. I'm a Libra if y'all didn't know. And the quality is actually pretty decent. This is pretty decent, but I don't know if it's gonna like turn green or not, but it seems pretty decent. And that's gonna be it for my Temu haul, or Temu. But y'all, that's it. I'm gonna try to insert some clips of some of the stuff that I got from my car, if I have not already. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like this haul. I have a Shein haul coming up soon. Actually, it's only like 3 items, so it might be on a shorts video. And then I ordered some glasses, some eyeglasses as well. Yeah, would I shop at Temu again? It took a week to ship the items, and then it took an extra like week and a day for me to get the items. So overall it took about 2 weeks in total for everything to come. I spent, I think, about like $50, about $55 or so for like 15 items. And if I have not already linked everything on the screen or down in the description below, I'll try to go ahead and do that. I'm sure you guys have seen plenty of many Temu hauls circulating around TikTok and Instagram and here on YouTube as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.